Looking for an honest answer on how to easily cancel an order in 2025. Although the online process appears simple, it only works if your order is still marked as unshipped. The real issue is that once the order moves into the dispatch phase, the automated cancellation option stops working, making the entire process dependent on contacting customer support immediately, usually within a very limited time window. Hey, want to cancel an order in 2025? It's simple. Log into your account and go to My Orders. Find the order you want to cancel, but make sure it hasn't been shipped yet. Click the Cancel Order button under the details. Choose a reason and confirm. That's it. You'll get instant confirmation and your refund is processed within 5 to 7 working days. If the button doesn't appear, contact customer support right away. The Order Cancellation Guide has no subscription cost. It's a free-to-read guide, but the real price is the critical time you lose. The system works on urgency because the shipping process prioritizes the warehouse, meaning the actual cost is the risk of missing your cancellation window if you delay even a little. A user review mentions that the products, such as their perfumes, are effective and good quality. However, the main struggle is cost effectiveness, since the premium pricing for long-term use makes many customers question the overall value. This growing long-term expense causes some users to mentally blacklist the brand despite genuinely liking certain items. If this helped, hit like and subscribe. Stay smart and stay prepared.